Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning. How was your night? I hope it was good. Mine was. Thanks for asking. You're welcome to Prudy's Vlogs. This is 6:30 a.m. and I'm gonna pack breakfast for my kids to go to school. Today is Monday, of course. So I'm gonna pack breakfast for them, and for breakfast they're having that one, the toast, the dry toast, that one with butter and jam and some fruits. So it's very simple. That's what I'm going to pack for them, and make milk for them. They go to school, and then we make lunch together. Okay, let's go.
And I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come.
So guys, the kids are in school now. So I'm gonna have breakfast right now. I got a glazed donut. Look at that. Some of the glaze is off because of the packet that I put it in, but that is it's a glazed donut stuffed with strawberry. Yeah, with strawberry filling. It's very sweet. A lot of sugar, but I don't think I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I think I'll just eat half of it. Yeah, but it's delicious. So the kids are in school. I'm gonna this is good with it. It calms the sugar in it down. You know, that's mint tea without anything, no honey, no sugar, no nothing. So it's very good. So the kids are in school. I'm going to make egusi soup right now after breakfast. So I'll fry some French fries and put some chicken wings in the air fryer. So that's what we are going to have for lunch. So that's what I'm going to do today. Yeah. So first of all, let me bomb myself up with this sugar, and then we'll see. Okay guys, I'm done with breakfast. So I already prepared the things for the soup. So here I cooked my assorted meat already.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Look at that. I told you, this is good. Look at that. I'm done with the soup. There you go. I'm gonna put it aside right now and make the salad. After the salad, the French fries and the chicken wings. So first of all, I make this. So here I have my lettuce, carrots, corn, olives, black olives, and grapes, black grapes. I love them in my salad. So you should try it.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young.
So I'm going to make the dressing for this now, and I'm using I'll add everything here. I'm adding everything here so that I can shake it. This is the only covered thing I have. You know, it's I used it for baby food, so I just keep it to make dressing, and then so I can shake it very well. So I'm gonna add here. I have here olive oil. That's extra virgin olive oil. Then balsamic vinegar, oregano, salt, and a little bit of honey. Right, wild honey. That's what I'm gonna use. So let's go with the, let me go with the balsamic first. That's balsamic vinegar. Okay. Then I'm gonna add some olive oil to it. Then a little bit of salt. Some little bit of oregano too. Like 1 teaspoon. And then a tiny bit of honey, like 1 teaspoon too. And then I'm gonna cover this thing up. You see? So I'll pour the whole thing. Let's see. See? It's so good. The dressing, that tiny bit of honey, your salad needs it. Trust me. Here, I have a bag of French fries, and here I got this pack of chicken wings. That is honey garlic chicken wings. So here we go. Look at that. We are going to go have lunch now. Everything is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.